Hello and welcome to JavaScript lecture. Before going further anywhere, I would like to mention please subscribe to this channel and feel free to comment down below. If you have any queries related to topic, we have our Facebook group called Code for You, Learn Programming and Share Your Ideas, where we interact with by creating a poll and creating an interview questions to solve. Why should you join our lecture? Well, to make you feel better understanding, we come to you with both theory and practical session that gonna help you to better understand with everything you need. So let's begin. So, why you should learn JavaScript? Before going to JavaScript, let us understand the 3 points that we have already discussed in the first lecture. Why do you need HTML? HTML to define the content of web pages, CSS to specify the layout of web pages, and JavaScript to program the behavior of web pages. So, web pages are not the only place where JavaScript is used. Many desktop and server programs use JavaScript. React.js is the best known. Some databases like MongoDB and CosDB also use JavaScript as their programming language. So, let us go through the point that why you should learn JavaScript. Point number 1. It is the most popular programming language. According to StackOverflow.com, JavaScript is the most popular programming language used by professional developers today. Even backend developers choose JavaScript more often than not. Point number 2. It's in your browser. It is the default language of the internet. Since browsers are a necessary part of any user's online experience, it is easy to see why JavaScript is so significant. Point number 3. JavaScript also exists outside of the internet. JavaScript has many uses that go beyond its traditional internet roles. It powers smart televisions, works with IoT, that is Internet of Things, creates native apps for iOS and Androids, and builds cross-platform desktop apps to name a few. Point number 4. JavaScript is ideal for newbies. Since it's already installed on every web browser today, JavaScript spares the rookies from the core of setting up a development environment. Newcomers can just jump in and start coding. It's one of the most accessible entries into coding available, a value add for beginners. There is also a large online community that offers support and advice. Also, JavaScript is an excellent tool for beginning programmers who want to expand their skill set into other languages. JavaScript supports valuable skills such as object-oriented, functional, and imperative styles of programming. Beginner developers in turn can apply these skills to any new languages they want to learn, like Python, Java, or C++. JavaScript is easy to learn. JavaScript turns intricate details into abstracts, making things easier for the newcomer. Unlike the higher level programming language, JavaScript has more of natural language feel to it. Point number 6. You can create visual effect and other eye-catching aesthetic features. There is building a web page, and then there's building a visual appending web page that attracts the user attention and encourages interaction. JavaScript is so versatile that you can use it to easily add cool design elements such as animation, interactive maps, and scrolling videos. Organizations and clients want web designers who can not only put together a technically sound page, but one that also will lure visitors. If you know JavaScript, you can deliver. Point number 7. JavaScript is versatile. JavaScript empowers a programmer to handle any aspect of app design. Do you want to do user side, that is front-end coding? You can do it in conjunction with Angular. Are you more interested in the server side, backend? Bring Node.js into the mix and you can do that too. You can also create desktop, mobile, and web apps with Electron, React Native, and React. If you are integrated by machine learning, then JavaScript will help you there as well. Point number 8. JavaScript also affects big data and the cloud. JavaScript Object Notation, that is JSON, is the go-to standard for data exchanges on today's internet. NoSQL databases use JSON documents for record storage. And although JSON plays well with any programming language, it does best with JavaScript. Also, more developers are turning to Node.js to build cloud-based applications, a very much in demand market. A valuable tool for game developers. Games are a big business today, and developers who know JavaScript have that extra advantage. The language's versatility, power, and ability to easily create a visual effects make it a perfect fit for game developers. Point number 10. Finally, the career potential is skyrocketing. With an increasing number of business and organizations going digital, there is a corresponding increase in demand for developers who are familiar with the better known programming languages. As we have already noted, that's JavaScript. According to a report released by devskillers.com, 70% of the companies surveyed want to hire JavaScript developers. Also, there's a growing demand for data scientists who have expertise in Python. The market for data scientists and data analytics is projected to grow by 15% between 2015 to 2020. Considering how every Python web app uses JavaScript in their front end, it becomes clear that the language is a necessity. JavaScript professionals are willing to pay well too. Indeed.com shows that a JavaScript developers can potentially earn an annual average of $113,643 in United States. If you are looking to become a programmer who can always be assured of a stable career and get well compensated for it, then you want to learn JavaScript. Thank you.